connais ou crier, baby, mais fort. Haïti, moi, pour aller. Miami, ou prêter. Pas ouais qui j'en comment. L'amour, ça pour dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer. Écrire chaque fois.
Okay.
I didn't know if you were taking a picture.
It's fine. It's just a YouTube video.
Can you seatbelt for me?
Good?
Yes, I am.
Can you roll that window down? Alright, let me get a picture.
This is actually my second Prius since 2016. I rode this since.
It's not insanely fast. Stopping power is incredible.
I hope for braking.
The electronic power steering, some little potholes. So smooth. Collision avoidance or self-braking system, right? Things when I hit something, hits the brakes for you. Amazing handling, considering it's just front-wheel drive. And here's the greatest part about it. It's the self-parallel parking.
Let's do it.
Hands-free back up. Parallel parks all on its own, man. Straighten itself up to the car in front of you. Easy as that, huh?
If you do this on a driving test, you cheat.
Yes.
That's why they don't allow Teslas and this new and other new cars on it.
Handling's pretty good. It's a small car. Not bad, huh?
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Ah oui, les long, baby, les long. T'es du long distance, là, pas ta marché. Ah oui, les long, baby, les long. Koto tande l'amour, jambe de l'eau, baby, pas noyé. T'es du long distance, là, pas ta marché. Ah oui, les long,